So today we're going to detail what trick do we use to have this kind of gesture. Everything about it. So nice, so smooth, so fluid. So you go to Siri, iPod Touch 5. So go to install and reason. So the virtuous is the app to download the game, the old game. Okay. Actual battery, we show the actual battery. Unsee setting, this is unsee setting. And swipe back, this is swipe back. SP setting. Oh, unsee everything, this one, sorry. And SP setting is this one. Okay. And swipe selection. What is swipe selection? So we go to here like this. Swipe selection like this. See? Logbook. So this is dream logbook. I lucid dreaming. If you have lucid dreaming, this is how you want to do it. And go back. Now it reload already. So go back in again. Reason again. So default activator. This is activator. You can do most of everything with activator. And here, awesome swipe multi-gesture. This is the trick from Big Boss, and now no longer available. I think Big Boss is dead. So I file and this. So this is the source that I installed it. Now mostly is dead. So yeah, this is very old, you know. So I show you clearly here. This is the source, and this is the tweak. Okay. Yeah. So this is everything on iPod Touch 5, and let's connect to the Wi-Fi. Maybe let's check the. Wait, I forget the number, the password. Wait. Let's check if the Play Store still work. So the password is 43 5 7. Okay. So now we join the Wi-Fi. A lot of Wi-Fi around here, and go to Play Store. No, it's not. Have Siri. Weather today. Siri animation is so beautiful. See that? What's your name? Siri animation. See that? Beautiful. What can you do? No Wi-Fi or what? Maybe no Wi-Fi. In Siri you cannot activate the. How about okay like this? Okay. What's your name? Siri is not working. So maybe we go to Safari to see whether we have Wi-Fi or not. Google. Oh, update your Google Apple. So it means Wi-Fi is working, but Wi-Fi is working. What date is today? But Siri no longer respond. No? Sadly. Yeah, this is what Siri used to movie playing. Oh, okay. I say Siri is gone, bro. It's gone. Gone forever, I think. The Wi-Fi is working, but
I'm really sorry about this, but I can't take any requests right now. Please try again in a little while.
bit bug for me. So yeah, sad.